Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I show you how to download and install Ubuntu on VirtualBox. It is the last version of Ubuntu. First we need to download Ubuntu and also VirtualBox. Open a browser, any browser you want. On the search bar type here download Ubuntu, then hit enter. Open this first site or this first link. Here we have the version of Ubuntu. It is the last one. Here we have download. Click in this download button. The download has been started, but I have already downloaded Ubuntu. I want to close. You need to download VirtualBox on Google or any browser you want. Just type VirtualBox download, then open this first link, downloads Oracle VM VirtualBox. We have VirtualBox for different operating systems like Windows, Mac, and also Linux. For any of them you want, you can download. We want to download for Windows. Click on download. When you download Ubuntu and VirtualBox, close your browser. Open your download folder. Here I have Ubuntu and also VirtualBox. Right click on VirtualBox. Click here, run as administrator. Click on next. You will install VirtualBox, but I have already installed VirtualBox. Open your VirtualBox. Click on start. On Windows search bar type here VM. Here you will see VirtualBox. Open your VM VirtualBox. In the left corner here we have machine. Click here. Click on new. Write one name for your Ubuntu. I want to write here UB. Leave everything as default. Just select here Linux. From version, select your Ubuntu version. If you have 64-bit, select 64. If you have 32, select 32. We have 64-bit. Click on next. Select your hardware. I want to select 5 gig RAM and also 4 gig CPU. If you have 4 gig RAM or 2 gig RAM also enough, but I want to select 4. 2 core CPU is also okay, but I want to select 4. Click on next. Here you need 25 gig hard disk or virtual hard. Click on next. Click on finish. Now click on settings. Here we have storage. Click on empty. Click in this CD. Here we have choose file. Click here. Find your Ubuntu ISO, then click on open. Okay. Now click on start. Guys, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. When I upload the new video, you will have notification. And also don't forget to like this video. Maximize this page. Here just hit enter. You can close this page also. The installation is start. It will take a while. Select your language. English is okay. Click on next. Click on next. Leave everything as default. Click on next. If you have internet, choose wired connection. If you don't have, click here. Do not connect to internet. Select install Ubuntu. Click on next. Click on next. Again next. Click on next. Click on next. Enter your username. Day is my username. Enter your password. Again repeat your password. Click on next. Select your location with mouse. For example, I want to select Australia or anywhere you want. Then click on next. Click on install. It will take a few moments. Ubuntu last version is installed and ready to use. Click on restart now. Here press enter. My username is Day. I want to enter my password. Hit enter. We successfully installed Ubuntu on VirtualBox or virtual machine. Next, 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 next. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good day. See you soon.